What's going on, guys? It's your boy Rax and welcome back to a brand new video. Look, fellas, we're going to another pre-release. This is day 2, part 2, whatever you want to call it. We're going to go to another pre-release at a different store. So let's get over there right now. It's right now almost 10 a.m. They open at 11, but we're going to go there a little bit early because our friends are already over there. So let's get into it, baby. Let's go. So if you guys didn't see part 1, we actually finally got an IR. We actually got something pretty decent. We got the Houndoom. That art is beautiful. I think I'm just gonna keep that, honestly, because it looks really cool. Hopefully we can get some cool cards as well today. Hopefully, I'm still hoping for that Mewtwo, man. Even the gold Mewtwo or the full art Mewtwo just looks so cool. It just looks so different. You know, it's not just Mewtwo standing there. It's just like he's cuddled up like when he was in the test tube. So I think that looks really cool. We are, in fact, 14 minutes away. We're very close. Hopefully there's still spots left. I think there is. So this card shop is a little bit more low-key. And last time we went to the Journey Together pre-release here, they didn't give us the extra packs. So that kind of sucked. It was a little bit cheaper, obviously, but we didn't get the extra 3 packs, so it was like just a building battle. Hopefully they actually give us the extra 3 packs this time and not like last time where we didn't. You know, I want to open more packs, man. Like I'm willing to fork over an extra $1 for more packs, because like, come on, man, I need those packs. I'm a little bit tired today, as you can probably tell. I woke up a little bit earlier today, but that won't stop us, baby. Let's get these packs, okay? Let's get these packs. Let's go. So we arrived. Yeah, we arrived pretty quickly. We live pretty close by, so it was like 18 minutes. Not a big deal. And a friend of mine just sent me a picture that they have 2 and 3. So gotta walk in and get 4. Like, hello? Tabing. Tabing. Buenos días. Para el pre-release. Perfect. Nice. We got number 6. Got Needle King. Damn. Oh. Este está aquí. Este ya lo he visto un montón de veces en el... Exacto, ya. Lo vi en el website. Oh! Damn, yo nunca he visto esta carta empezar. Oh my god, este dialga. Jesus. Ah, sí. We got our player ID. Say.
Nombre, mi rey.
Rey Roman. We are ready. We already got registered. Oh my god, they got 2. That's so sick. Gracias.
Basurita por aquí.
Porque yo dije, si voy a la fecha de las cartas.
Vete con eso.
¿Abriste el primer bote?
Ya estoy en esa. Luego
Vamos a la basura. Hablamos después.
Oh my god, we got a greeted. Ole. Fuck, me sale el greeted. Ah. Oh my god. Wait, this centering is crazy. Oh my god, it's so cute. Second pack.
It's not looking that good.
Oh no. Yeah.
Porque como son
Third
dos
pack.
drums,
Oh wait.
this is looking rough, bro.
We actually got a playable card. Reverse hollow. Okay. Wait, we got a regular Rockets Mewtwo EX. Okay. Okay. Is this a sign? We got a Mewtwo EX. Ay, Rapidash, en serio. Wait, un gold card. What the? ¿Tienes sleeve? Te lo traigo. Ya, yo te lo pongo, No te preocupes. Bro, he pulled the gold Crobat. Oh my god, that's so fire. He also got the Rapidash. Hot hands. Last pack magic. I did say there was a Mewtwo in that.
Try it, bro.
Lavator, Beldum, for 70. Kind of crazy. Team Rockets hook. No. Rotom. Nada. Damn. So we got out of the 4 packs, we got the Ethan's Pichu. I really want to use this. Team Rockets Mewtwo EX. And Arvin's Greedent. Looks really cool. Really nice. Definitely gonna put this in my deck. Dame preguntar por ahí si tiene más Ethan's Pichu, because I really want this. Can I see the side deck? Oh my god, that is so cool! Look at that. Oh, and the sleeve matches with it too. That's so sick. Wow.
That's actually just my chase from the set.
The centering looks really good. Gracias, thank you. So we got another Pichu. We needed this. Yes, I needed another Pichu. I think we're ready. We're just gonna use the same deck as we did last time. Ethan's Typhlosion with Quilava, but now we're adding the Ethan's Pichu. We got the stamp, we love the stamp. And no Ethan's Adventure though. No new Ethan's Adventure, unfortunately. So maybe we can shop around, because I'd rather have that than another surfer. ¿Alguien tiene un spare Ethan's Adventure?
No, sorry. No tengo ya comprado.
Damn it. Ah, tienes 3. I need 3. I need one more. ¿Tiene un Ethan's Adventure extra? Lo mismo. Porque ahora voy a tener 3. No. 3 estoy bien. Gracias. We are good. We are ready. Oh my god, qué cute. Oh my god, qué lindo. That is so cute.
Sí, mano. It's so pretty.
Yeah, it actually looks really good. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is so cool. Your gold Mewtwo, what? That's so sick. Nice. So no SARs. No SARs in 25 build-in battles. No SARs, only 2 golds. Gold Mewtwo and gold Crobat. That's it. This guy got nothing. So we're going against Diego Cartier or Guartier. Cartier, I don't even know. Let's see. So for 10, the Mewtwo EX, I sold it for $10. Pre-sale is like 15, 20, but it's a regular EX. So come on now, you ain't gotta do all that. We're 1-0 right now. Table 5, Rafael Orozco. Rafael. Yeah. En la 5. It's so cute. Another dub. Time for round 3. You already know what I'm using.
Everybody's using the same thing.
Yeah. Heads.
Tails never fails. And it didn't fail.
Sí.
120.
120?
120.
How?
It's 60 plus if it has the Team Rocket energy, it's 60
Oh
more.
my god. No one has pulled an SAR yet, so hopefully. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh my god. Oh, mega. That beat you. No. Oh! What the? I got an error pack.
What?
Wait, I got an error pack. What? I got two river. We got an error pack.
That's cool.
What?
rara y al final salió un judge.
What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 cards. Oh my god, that's so sick.
That's cool.
What? That's so sick.
Let me see it.
Yeah, look at it. That's so cool. An error pack. What?
Y yo colecciono los JoJo's. Yo tengo el de los pejuelos. Tengo el flaquito, que te acuerdas que tú me vendiste. Tengo el gordito y ahora
It's
ese va a ser el otro.
adventure. Oh, Tower Explosion. We've actually pulled Tower Explosion.
Cabrón.
Wait,
Mira.
Otro héroe.
Paquetitos están hackeados, cabrón.
2 rares. 2 rares y un illustration rare. 2 rares and 1 illustration rare. What? Damn. Alright, last pack magic. We got more?
You're gonna get more.
Magnetic. Oh, that side deck is cute. Got the energy. Back, yeah, we're back to normal. Yeah, we're back to normal. Hey, but we went crazy. Oh my god. An error pack with the Typhlosion. Yo, Typhlosion is going crazy. Look at that beauty.
These are the only things that just interest me.
You can have them. Of course.
Y te di el picho.
Alright, thank you. Huge error pack.
One question. Would you
Yeah.
trade 2 Judges full arts for this one?
2 what?
I am collecting Judges.
Oh, really?
Like the full art.
That's funny. How about the Cinia?
Sitting for the Judge? Yeah, I can do it.
You can do that? Alright, perfect. Alright, thank you. We got the Cinia back. We sold this a long time ago, but we finally got it back.
There you go.
Yeah, thank you. This is so sick. That is so sick. Oh my god.
Nice.
¿Qué? No sé cuánto está.
A mí lo más que me ha salido bueno de ahí ha sido el Zoro dorado.
No. No. Got the SAR. Oh my god.
¿Tus paquetes salieron?
Wait. Damn. Team Rocket's Mewtwo.
Yo como abro cartas de básquet, yo abro todo y empiezo. Lo que salga ahí. Abro todo y empiezo.
Damn, qué duro.
No me salió nada ahí. La que te lo dije a ti que si íbamos a hablar con Mewtwo.
Lo dirías tú. Pues hemos cambiado packs.
That is so cool. Wow. Nice. Good stuff. Look at him. Nice. Someone pulled the Mewtwo, man. Oh my god, that's so sick. Team Rocket's Mewtwo, man. No way. What are y'all getting? What are y'all getting?
¿Estoy colando esta carta, verdad? Se ve como
Qué raro.
fade. Esta carta me sigue.
Oh my god, Friends in Paldea.
I swear to God que me sigue esta carta.
We open a random prismatic pack. Okay.
Mustard.
Un poco.
Oh.
Techno Radar. Bunnaberry. Sandy Shocks. Oh, Sandy Shocks. Oh no. Let's see if we can get something good here. Eevee. Pokeball. Havenberry. Okay.
Congratulations.
Pokemon. Y friends in Paldea.
Y el de esto, el
Woo! Friends in Paldea, boy.
Yes.
Top cheese.
la saqué en 16.
16. Greeted. We got some orange chicken. That's a lot of food. Look at this.
Chinese food in Puerto Rico, man.
All this for $10. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. What's up, fellas? So day 2 completely done. We actually tried to go to another pre-release, but we went to the waiting list. We got 1, 2, and 3, and all 20 people, the original 20 people arrived, so we missed out on that one. We waited like 2 hours, but the card shop was very kind enough to give us 2 prize packs, and like the player ones, you know, the ones you open and has some like player cards with the stamped. Really nice of them, very sweet of them. It was very sweet of them. So we did end up not wasting our time. We had fun. So to end off this entire thing, I did pull the Houndoom, I pulled the Air Pack Judge, and also the Typhlosion and the Greedent. I sold the Greedent and the Typhlosion. People wanted it, and I gave it to them. I went based on eBay prices, but I went way lower than eBay prices because I know that they're gonna go down even lower than eBay prices since we're still like 2 weeks away from the actual release. So I didn't want to charge them extremely pre-release prices. You know, just had to keep it fair. So the Judge, I ended up trading it for this Cinea's Resolve, which I really like. I really like this Cinea. I did have it once, but I ended up selling it, so we have it again. It was a lot of fun. These past 2 days was so much fun. We went 5-0. I mean 5-1. We ended up losing the final game. You probably saw it. I got absolutely wrecked. 2 of my Ethan's adventures were in the prize cards, so I got super unlucky, and Sebastian got all the cards he needed, every single card. So he was just hitting me for 120 since the second round. So it was wraps. But hey, it doesn't matter too much. It was a lot of fun, and I will definitely do this again. Can't wait for the next pre-release. Unfortunately, next pre-release won't be until like the mega set, because next set will be black and white. Oh, I'm so excited for black and white. So I just got a pretty good idea. I think we, like me and my friends, should make our own pre-release. Have like make like a day where we go to like a card shop or somewhere local, and we sit down and just rip open a bunch of packs, right? Like a bunch of ETBs, booster bundles, or whatever we find, you know, if we end up finding anything. But I think it'd be pretty cool, pretty fun, and I think you guys would enjoy that too, because I will be ripping a lot of black and white. So I will be trying to complete that Grandmaster set, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. Hopefully we can get that done. Hopefully we can do that. But yeah, guys, it was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what do you guys think about this entire format of the video. If you guys enjoyed it, if you guys didn't, what I can add, what I can get rid of. But I had a lot of fun these past few days, so I hope you guys enjoyed it too. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.